Choosing a window style for your home can be a complex process that is largely up to personal preference. Each room of your home will need a different window style because there are a few practical purposes of each window style to consider. Mainly, you'll want to choose windows that reflect your home's architectural style. You'll also need to take into consideration the purpose that the windows will serve and the amount of ventilation needed in each room. Casement windows offer a unique wide view with architectural appeal, making them the preferred window style found in most homes. Casement windows easily open up to a full 90 degrees, resulting in an effortless cleaning on both sides of the glass. Because of their versatility and ease of use, casement windows can be used in any room of the home. They are mostly found in spaces with a lot of foot traffic and where more ventilation is needed, such as the kitchen, family rooms, and bedrooms. Awning windows. These elegant windows swing up and outward, making it easy to let in some fresh air while still blocking off rain and other unwanted environmental factors. They are often placed higher on walls for privacy or in combination with other window styles for a better view. They are recommended for bathrooms, basements, and kitchens. Fixed windows are non-operational windows that allow an unobstructed view of the outside. They are ideal for spaces where lighting is important, but ventilation is not. These can also be more decorative as well as in combination with other window styles. Hung windows are a timeless style that are ideal for homes with a classic architectural design. They are popular in colonial houses, farmhouses, and other traditional style homes. Typically inside the home, they are often found in locations facing walkways, porches, or decks. Sliding windows provide easy access to fresh air and offer maximum versatility. They are a common choice for smaller areas of a home and sides of a home. Sliding windows are often found in laundry rooms, bathrooms, and are usually placed in places which can be harder to reach, like behind a kitchen sink or above a soaking tub. Bay and bow windows offer high aesthetic value, especially when used as a room's key focal point in the front or back of a house. These windows create picturesque, fairy tale-like scenery, adding flair and splendor in all homes.